Hi everyone, we're about to check out from our hotel, the Tropicana Inn Suites, across the street from Disneyland. I just wanted to show you again how close we were. Right there, that's the entrance to Disneyland. You can see from our balcony. And I'm just gonna walk you through our room now that we have prepared to check out. So as you know, we have a suite, or maybe you don't know, but I did do a video when we got here of our suites because we traveled as a family of 5 with our 2 sons, grandma, my husband, and myself. And so this living room area is where grandma and the boys slept on that orange pull-out couch that turned into a bed. There are all our bags ready to go, daddy and the boys. And then this is the master bedroom. And we have another balcony here from which we watched fireworks a couple of the nights. And here is the bathroom, the ensuite bathroom. Shower, toilet, sink. We are just about ready to check out here. There was also another bathroom here. Right as you get in the room, right off the living room area. So we're heading out. Just wanted to show you around again. This is a wonderful option for families. And there are regular rooms as well. So smaller families traveling with 1 to 4 guests can just book a regular room. So convenient to Disneyland. And we really had a good time here.
This is yours right here.
Thank you guys for watching.